So in this video, I'm going to show how to do a binary search with on an array that is sorted, but it also has duplicates. So here we're returning an integer that's going to represent the um, count, the number of instances that particular number shows up, the array, and the value x that we're looking for in that array. So to start, I would just think about this just by implementing first um, a regular binary search. That is, if we detect the element, we return a 1. If we do not detect the element at any point, we return 0. So for that, we can just do by regular binary search. We start with a low and a high index. Okay, this thing is not very clever. So high index is going to be the last element, and low is going to be the first element, which is 0 in an array. And we're going to basically do something while the lowest index is smaller than or equal to the highest index. It means that these two indices have not yet met. So we calculate the midpoint between these two indices. Once we do that, then we're going to check if the middle element is what I was passed, and if that's the case, then we return a 1. Otherwise, we will be checking if the element in the middle is greater than the value that was given, and if that is the case, then we will actually look for x in the side where the numbers are smaller than the middle. In order to do that, we need to change our high index to be there's supposed to be an if here. We need to change our high index to be the element that's previous from the middle, because we already know that the middle element is greater than x. And given the other situation, that would be if the middle element is smaller than x, that means x is greater, we're gonna look at all the elements that are greater than the middle element. And for that, we just set the lowest element to be the element that's next to the middle. So this would be our regular binary search algorithm. So to finish up this algorithm, if we do not find the element in there, if we never reach the condition where the middle element is x, then we're just going to return 0, because then that means there are no instances of this. So let's run this, and as you can see, 5, 3, and 0, which are elements that are present in this array, they actually show up. The one that isn't present is going to return 0, because there are 0 instances of it.